Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Lee from Old School Window Cleaners. Thank you to everybody that's watched and commented on part one of the 2 roof cleans that we're doing. Why on earth I decided to try and scrape 2 roofs in one day is beyond me. It won't happen again. It was extremely hard. It's Wednesday today. Yesterday we had some right dramas. The video that I'm just about to put up is of the new injector that we got from Savi pressure washers. I'm not sponsored by Savi pressure washers, but they're a brilliant company. Any problems I've had, I lost pressure on the jet wash a few days ago, and I rang him up and he says, look, just bring it straight back up and we'll put it right for you. And when I got there, I'd turned the dial too far. So you turn it too far, it won't let you break it and it cuts the pressure out. So, sorry, I've just got Portugal, France on in the background. So I went up there and he put it right for me and got me working again straight away. As I say, I'm not sponsored by them, but they're a great company. They're really helpful. They've really helped me out and done me some really good deals and stuff. So I'd like to give them a good shout out. I will pop a link in the description to their website. I won't lie to you, their stuff's not cheap, but it's not cheap for a reason. It's not cheap because it's quality. I've got the injector from them, which unfortunately, as you see in the video, it sprays great, but there's something not right with the mixture. We've gone through my litres per minute and the bar and the nozzle, and it's a bit of a learning curve for everybody. So unfortunately, I sprayed that section of the roof that I've just put on or I'm about to put on. Is not quite right for the injector, if that makes sense. So I sprayed that section of roof and we left it 15-20 minutes to dwell, and when we went back it was still exactly the same. So we're not getting the right hypo solution through for my machine for that injector. I've been up to Savi today and we were having a chat about it and talking about options, and they've given me another nozzle to try. Straight away he says, look Lee, if you're not happy with it, we'll just give you your money back. It's not a problem. They don't mess about up there. They're ever so good. There was a guy in the shop that actually uses that injector system, and he does a lot of graffiti removal, and they use a lot of hypo and brick acid in theirs as well, for paint removal and stuff. So, and he said his works perfect. So it's just getting the right setup with the right nozzle, the right proportioner, and it's going to really save me some time and effort. So part 2 is going to be a little bit delayed, sorry, because we're back there Saturday. I'm hoping to get a few pressure washing videos done. Again, I've got a few jet wash jobs coming in. I've got some big jet wash jobs coming in as well. So yeah, so part 2 is going to be a little bit delayed. Apart from that, thanks to everyone for watching. The subscribers are still going up, so I'm really pleased about that. Thank you very much. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for now. Bye. This is the new injector from Savi pressure washers. I will put the link to their website in the description below. And basically unplug that, plug that one in. There's a 4:1 proportioner in there. That goes into there, and then that tube that goes all the way to the end. They give you a nice long hose that goes into whatever you're spraying, and that will now mix 4:1 with the jet wash. Well, we're set up with the injector in for the hypo from the roof. How to start your Savi jet wash is valve open, come around this side. Mine is an electric start at the moment, but switch it on when the battery, eventually get the battery fitted, I'll be able to just turn that and it'll start. Fuel on, always have your fuel off when you're travelling. Choke, which that's choke on, I'd left that on. Give that a little bit of a go there, and one-handed Let go of that, didn't I?